अस्सलाम वालेकुम, गुड मॉर्निंग। आज जुमा है और 6 तारीख है जून की और मैं सेट ऑफ करने लगा हूँ। सब कुछ सेट है, एवरीथिंग इज़ टाइड अप, सब सिक्योर्ड है। फाइनल मेरा कैनेडियन फ्लैग, आई मस्ट डिस्प्ले माई फ्लैग ऑफ नेशनैलिटी एंड देन आई एम गोना स्टार्ट हेडिंग आउट। Good. Let's go, Basat. There is your Canadian flag. So I have to pass under the bridge. The bridge opens at 8 o'clock, then half past 8. So just about 5 minutes to 8. So I'm going to call him and say, let me pass through. There he goes. He's opening the bridge. And I'll be passing under the bridge soon. So I'll stop filming now. Yeah. What a time to start raining. While I'm passing right through the bridge. Autopilot. Yeah. Sailing Vessel Naseem passing under the bridge, Gillis Bridge. Very good. Mast clear. Masts are clear. Yeah. A little to the port. Passing right in between the bridge. That's Highway 1 and I'm on the east side of Merrimack River now, heading toward the ocean. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Let's go.
Vessel name was at Copia.
Yeah, good morning. Vessel name is Naseem, November Alpha Sierra Echo Mike, Naseem. Canadian Halifax registered. I'm heading out towards Atlantic Ocean. Thank you so much and have a great day.
Roger, thank you.
Hi, Newbury Port. Just passed under that bridge. Last time I was here with Arsalan Saab. So Arsalan, you remember we came together? This time your daddy is going alone. Let's walk on a reef. There's a rock right next to it. So that's why it's so important to watch these buoys. And wow, thunder and lightning. What a departure. Wow, did you hear it? There was a flash. Thunder. That's the joy of life, man. A sailor's life on an Eid day. Pouring rain, thunder, lightning. And look at this. Sailing Vessel Naseem en route to Atlantic Ocean. Well, near coastal, not in the deep sea passage. But still, ocean is the ocean. And that's another red buoy, past. So almost approaching toward the mouth of the river. This black line is my heading. But this is not the way my boat is moving. It's following this blue path with the effect of wind and tide. Oh my goodness, I just saw a big flash. Oh my god. Oh my god, Ya Allah. मेरी बोट को बचा के रखना, अपनी हिफाजत में रखना. But anyway, so with the wind and tides current is following this pathway. And so here I turn a little bit to the left, then I should be able to see the sea wall or the breakwater mouth to the entrance of the river. Then I follow out and then I turn course going towards Isle of Shoals, and I think with this weather I'll stop by at Isle of Shoals this afternoon. Almost there. Around this green marker I turn to starboard, heading out. Where is the green marker? Right ahead of me is the wall. Okay, there's the end of the river. Out there is Atlantic Ocean. This is the entrance to the Merrimack River of Massachusetts. I think it's a bulk carrier, looks like. Well, we have technology, we can find out. Just like Flight Tracker, I have a marine tracker. It's a free application, anybody can download. So I can see which ship is this. So there is Naseem, I can see Naseem, that's me, on just west of Isle of Shoals. And that ship ahead of me, the bulk carrier, it's a Chinese ship, Albion Bay. And then when I click it, wow, look at that. Isn't that amazing? This group of islands is called Isle of Shoals. These are on the border of New Hampshire and Maine. So the southern side of Ireland, on the right hand side, they are actually in New Hampshire. And the right hand side of the island, that is in Maine. Not much wind for my sails, so I'm running the engine, which is doing a decent speed, 6 knots, going a little bit with the tide. There is wind, but it's against me, so I cannot raise my sails. If I raise my sail, I'll have to keep tacking, that is zigzagging. I can't go in the wind, so what's the point? So, take care, Eid Mubarak everyone, have a lovely family day, and now I'm going to stop videoing until I'm in Canadian waters, Bay of Fundy, in a few days, because every day is the same, there's nothing new. Unless there's something new, I'll make a little video. I'm heading towards Grand Manan Island in Bay of Fundy, Seal Cove. I have an exit from US waters, but I can stop outside the island without landing on them. So I'm not gonna land anywhere, just gonna stay on board. Right now, I'm in no country. I have exited US and I'm not entered Canada. I'm in the open waters, in the territorial waters of USA. But I'm not landing, not putting my step on land. My feet will stay on board. Khuda Hafiz, I'll see you from Bay of Fundy in a few days.